the sentiments of the people.
The ongoing rehabilitation of the Umiam Dam may be completed by July end or first week of August, even as the government has started similar rehabilitation work on Mentu, Leska and Umtro dams. Power Minister A.T. Mondal defended the delay in the completion of the rehabilitation work, saying that they were planning to finish the project by June. He, however, said that earlier the idea was to go for bitumen surface, but then we decided to go for RCC surface, and in bitumen surface, vehicles can ply, but in RCC surface, a time of 28 days for curing period is required.
Actually, earlier we thought that it should be finished by June. Now, as you know, that earlier idea was that bitumen surface will be laid. Now they are asking that we should go for RCC surface. And RCC surface, what happened? The difference between bitumen surface and RCC surface is that in bitumen surface, when you lay the surface, vehicle can go. There is no problem. But in RCC, you got to give that curing period of around 28 days. So that's why the time is required. Additional time is required. New deadline, we are targeting that July end or first week of August, we should finish it.
The returning officer of